In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an Agoda account step by step so you can start booking hotels and other travel services quickly and easily. Let's begin by opening Agoda. You can do this in two ways. Either visit the Agoda website using your internet browser or open the Agoda app on your phone or tablet if you have it installed. The overall process is almost the same on both the website and the app, so use whichever option feels more convenient for you. Once Agoda is open, look for the option to create a new account. On the website, this is usually found near the top of the page, often labeled as Create Account or shown under a sign-in area. On the app, you'll usually see a similar option on the main screen or after tapping a profile or menu icon. Go ahead and select the Create Account option to get started. Next, you'll be asked how you want to sign up. Agoda gives you a few choices, so you can pick what works best for you. One option is to enter your email address directly. This is a good choice if you prefer using email for most of your accounts, or if you want to keep this account separate from your other logins. Alternatively, you can choose to sign up using an existing account from Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you select one of these, Agoda will connect with that service to verify your identity. This can be a little faster because you don't have to type in as much information, and you won't need to remember a separate password just for Agoda. Just make sure you're signed into the correct Google, Apple, or Facebook account before you continue. If you decide to use your email address, type it in carefully and double check for any typos, since Agoda will use this email for confirmations and important updates about your bookings. After choosing your sign-up method, Agoda will ask for a few basic details. You'll need to enter your name, and you may also see a field for your phone number. Adding a phone number is usually optional, but it can be helpful for receiving booking updates, verification codes, or support messages if needed. If you're comfortable providing it, type in your phone number, including the correct country code. If you'd rather not, you can usually leave it blank and continue. One thing that makes this process simple is that you don't need to create a password manually. When you sign up using email or a connected account like Google, Apple, or Facebook, Agoda handles the login method for you behind the scenes. This helps reduce the number of passwords you have to remember and can make signing in faster next time. Once you've entered your name and any other requested details, look for the button to move forward. It will typically say Continue, click or tap Continue to finish creating your account. If everything was entered correctly, Agoda will now complete the setup and automatically direct you to the home page. This is the main screen where you can start searching for hotels, flights, or other travel options. From here, you can explore deals, adjust your profile information, and customize your preferences for future bookings. That's all it takes to create an Agoda account. You've set everything up and you're ready to start planning your next trip.